How to change the wiper blades on a 2013 to 2018 Lincoln MKZ. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. To remove the wiper blade, you need to push in on the tab on both sides. So here on this side and directly on the opposite side here, just push these two in and it'll slide off. I have a Rain-X brand B22-2 for the driver's side and the Rain-X Expert Fit B20-2 for the passenger side. You can pivot it up. Squeeze the tabs and pull up on the wiper blade. So get it in position and literally just pull it down on it. And then you hear a snap. This is done. Now I'm going to repeat the process on the passenger side. Pivot it up, squeeze down on the tabs, and I'm going to pull the blade up. And it comes out. Get my new blade. Just slide it into position and pull it down. That's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.